Government of Karnataka has visualized the need of grooming the youth for new generation and has come out with the historic order to enroll the youth by all colleges by affiliating to Indian Red Cross Society under the banner of Youth Red Cross. Each college is having a Youth Red Cross unit and thereby the student of affiliated colleges becoming the ambassadors of Indian Red Cross Society. Today, we the Youth Red Cross of Annapaya Deemtubee University would like to inaugurate and conduct the orientation program for the Youth Red Cross volunteers and program officers of the constituent colleges. For this, we have with us Dr. M. Vijay Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Annapaya Deemtubee University, Dr. K. S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Registrar, Annapaya Deemtubee University, Dr. Rajendra KV, District Commissioner, Dakshina Kannada, Shri C. S. Shantaram Shetty, Chairman, Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada, Shri Kuzmadar PK, Honorable Secretary, Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada, Shri Yatish Vaikampadi, State Representative, Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada, Shri Sachit Suvarna, Director, Youth Red Cross, IRCS, Dakshina Kannada, Mrs. Nitishri BV, Nodal Officer, Youth Red Cross, Annapaya Deemtubee University. I request the volunteers to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Of faith are similar in nature. Both have nothing within it, but have the potential to create everything. As we begin today's program, I request Dr. Sahyad Mahmood, Assistant Professor and Program Officer, Annapaya Dental College, to invoke the Almighty.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا ليغفر لك الله ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر ويتم نعمته عليك ويهديك صراطا مستقيما وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا. هو الذي أنزل السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما. ليدخل المؤمنين والمؤمنات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ويكفر عنهم سيئاتهم وكان ذلك عند الله فوزا عظيما.
Respected Chief Guest for the day, Dr. Rajendra KV, IAS, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M. Vijay Kumar, Guests of Honor, Yatish Vaikampadi, and in fact we also have Shantaram Shetty and Kusmadar Abhi on the way joining us in a short while. Resource person for the orientation program today, Sachin Suvar, Youth Red Cross, Deans of the constituent colleges, the nodal officers of the individual colleges, the volunteers of the Youth Red Cross, students, ladies and gentlemen. Very good morning to all of you. You all know the MCs have already briefed about the purpose of today's function. In fact, it's a special day for all of us because today is the day we are going for the inauguration of the Youth Red Cross unit at the university level. In fact, this Youth Red Cross, we started in as a part of the constituent college, that is a nursing college. We started in the year 2019, late 2019, and officially it got inaugurated in 2020. And the college through this unit has been doing lot of activities, not only related to health but also awareness as well. They have also taken part in various camps and health awareness activities. After seeing the success of the unit of the nursing college, we thought we will extend it to all the constituent colleges. As you all know, we have 10 constituent colleges with nearly 8,000 students under the banner of the university now. And in fact, it's a very big number for us to do activities related to the society. For this inaugural function, we have none other than the DC of Dakshina Kannada, Dr. Rajendra KV. In spite of his busy schedule, he has given us time for this inaugural function, and as a chief guest, he is going to inaugurate the Youth Red Cross unit of the university. Thank you for accepting our invitation and warm welcome to you. Welcome to you, sir. Satish Baikampadi, who is the state representative of the Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada. Welcome. In fact, we have two more guests of honor, Shantaram Shetty, who is the chairman of IRC, Dakshina Kannada, and also Kusuma Darabi, who is the honorary secretary of Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada. They will reach us in a short while. We have the resource person for the day, that is the orientation program. After this, we are going to have 2 hours orientation program, and the resource person, Mr. Sanjay Suvarna, Youth Red Cross is here. I welcome you, sir. Who has taken, in fact, a keen interest in organizing this event. I also welcome the deans of the constituent colleges, the nodal officers from the individual colleges, and all the program officers and others who have gathered here in this hall. I wish the program all the way once again.
Jyoti Para Brahma, Deepa Jyoti Janardana, Deepo Haratu Me Papam, Deepa Jyoti Namostiti. I request the chief guest, Dr. Rajendra KV, District Commissioner, Dakshina Kannada, and President of Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada, along with other distinguished dignitaries, to light the lamp and inaugurate the program. Red Cross at University and attached college. I request today's chief guest, Dr. Rajendra KV, IAS, to inaugurate the Youth Red Cross at University and attached college.
Dakshin Kannada to exchange their MOU signed between Enapaya deemed to be University and Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshin Kannada. Rajendra KV, IAS District Commissioner, Dakshin Kannada. Dr. Rajendra KV, MBBS, IAS Deputy Commissioner and District Magistrative is an officer of Indian Administrative Service. Sir, I kindly request you to enrich with your words.
Very good morning to all of you. What a wonderful day to start with. Signing of MOU between Red Cross and Enepoya deemed to be university. Inauguration and orientation program of the newly installed Youth Red Cross here in Yenagoa University. As a chairman of, I always get confused, am I the chairman or the president? Okay, president of Indian Red Cross Society here in Dakshin Kannada. Our team is doing wonderful work, not only now, during COVID and pre-COVID times. During the difficult times, the amount of work, that enormous dedication what they showed to the people of Dakshin Kannada has fetched our unit best performing Indian Red Cross societies across the state. I would like to congratulate my team for doing this wonderful work throughout the difficult period. Now, adding more number of foot soldiers to this team gives us the most strength. You all know how difficult and challenging this present time is, and whatever the challenges we are having in the country and the state, that is like magnified here in our districts because of the geographical challenges, because of some of the societal issues, because of the diversity which was supposed to be a boon to us. Sometimes it has become some sort of like irritant factor for the development. You all know in the preamble of Indian, not only Indian, but the Red Cross Society. Indian Red Cross Society ಒಳಗಡೆ neutrality, humanity, impartiality, universality, unity, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥೀಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, those are all the need of the hours of the present scenario here in our district. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ರೀಡ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಮೋಟೋ ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ can't do these type of activities on its own. It needs lot of foot soldier, it needs lot of youngsters. 18 to 25 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ lot of youngsters. Sometimes actually they have detached themselves from the societal current happenings. That is the core issue for many of our challenges. Some of the youth, their energy is being channelized to in wrong direction, making them anti-social elements, creating lot of chaos in the society. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಏನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ, ದೇರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, in a coming years, I am 100% sure it gives you best result to the Dakshin Kannada district. Having 9,000 students in this campus, there will be a wonderful strength. I congratulate the management of Yenagoa Medical College, Pro-Chancellor, Chancellor, and the Registrar, and all the teaching and non-teaching faculty of the Yenagoa University for joining hands with the Red Cross. I congratulate and heartily appreciate their effort. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ you all ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್. ದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9 o'clock ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬರೋಣ, ಬೈಕೋತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಅಪ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್. If my dad was supposed to come home at 5 o'clock, if my brother was supposed to come at 5 o'clock, my sister was supposed to come at 5 o'clock, even after 7 o'clock somebody is not reaching home, ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪಘಾತಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಜನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ನೋಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಾದರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೋಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ಆರ್ ವಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್? ನಾವು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೋಡ್, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಟು ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ family, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಯೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನೋಡು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಗ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಗ್ರೀಡಿನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿಯ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಭಾಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ, ಯುನಿಟಿ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಾಲಿಟಿ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾಲಿಟಿ, ಈ ಕೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅವರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಂಟೈರ್ ನೇಷನ್, ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಲಿಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇನು, ಯಾವ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ಗೆ ಅಲಿಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಂಸೆಯನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ರಕ್ತಪಾತವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಯೂತ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾಳ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಫಿನಾಮಿನಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂತ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ನ ದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು, ಮೋಟೋವನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಷನರ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು CPR ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯೋಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಓವರ್ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು ನಿಂತೋಗಿದೆ. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ದೊಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೂವಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಲ್ 911 ಅಂತ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ 911 ಅಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಚಾನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 112 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ಈಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ 5 to 7 minutesಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವುಮೆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 112ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಾದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೆಸಿಮಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸೆಟ್, ಸಿನಿಕಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸೆಟ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬದಲು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 112ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯೋಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ರಿಸಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆದಾಗ, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. Sometime I studied in Davangere Medical College, which is next only to National Highway. As some of the assignments, I used to work in the casualty. I had seen some of the cases where the way the bystanders transport the patient to the hospital is much more dangerous than the accident itself. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇಮ್ಮೊಬಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಮ್ಮೊಬಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡದೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ವೇ ದೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೆಟ್ರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ರಿಕವರಿಗೆ, ಆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವೇ, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ loved ones, your own family members, your own brothers and sisters in the immediate neighboring community, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಬರ್ಡನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒಂದು ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂತ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗ್ತೀರಾ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯಬಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ದೇಶ, ನೀವಿರುವಂಥ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವಿರುವಂಥ ಊರು, ನೀವು ಇರುವಂಥ ಸಿಟಿ, ನೀವಿರುವಂಥ ರಾಜ್ಯ, ನೀವಿರುವಂಥ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೋಪ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎನಪಾಯ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್. ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Vijay Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Anapaya deemed to be University, to hand over the memento to Dr. Rajendra KV, District Commissioner, Dakshina Kannada.
Sir, I request you to share your thought with us.
My dear students, this is a great occasion. First time I think the university has signed a MOU with Red Cross for continuous activities for throughout the year. It is really a wonderful program. First of all, I thank our program officer Nitishri for arranging and taking a lot of strain and pain for arranging this. So once again, I thank all the faculties and non-faculty members of the Anapaya Deemed University for arranging this wonderful program. Already our Deputy Commissioner told our Red Cross is working for humanity irrespective of caste, creed, community. We are working only for humanity. So where humanity starts, I think Red Cross will, Youth Red Cross already under the leadership of our Sachin Suvarna, we are doing a lot of programs across the district in various colleges. So we have to teach humanity. What is humanity? Humanity starts from the home. I think APJ Abdul Kalam told you have to start from home means what? Your morning, I think girls are there here. So you have to keep your mother happy. That is the first humanity. So when you are coming from the house, you have to be, you should not quarrel with your mother. You should be keep your mothers happy. So Abdul Kalam told, your mother is happy, your home is happy, your home is happy, your society is happy, your society is happy, nation is happy. So that humanity starts from there. So in one program, one student questioned me, so what is the humanity service? So I addressed him, humanity is suppose one old woman, she is trying to cross the road, you just help her, that itself humanity, no need of going. The same time, I think so many people have already donated the blood, I think. So anybody donated the blood so far, anybody? Yeah, I think many have donated the blood. So donating blood, I think it is a very good humanity. So without your knowledge, the blood goes to the needy people. So it is I think in our Red Cross Blood Bank, around 500 units of blood units every month we are giving free of cost to the Lady Mission Hospital without asking any replacement. So that is because of Youth Red Cross students and other fraternity. So my request is at least to start some service along with your education. So before settling in the job or somewhere, you have to start service. Since I am a chartered accountant, morning I am receiving sometimes call. So please arrange some rare group of blood. And same time my client will call. So I want a refund income tax or something, some service. First I give priority to the arranging the blood. It is humanity. After that I will go to my profession. So that is my, first of all you have to, humanity is very important. After that our profession, our family, everything. So first I request the student to cultivate that habit. So you, instead of doing lot of, so many bad habits will encourage you, like smoking, drinks, chatting in social media. So all are bad habits. So you at least you cultivate a good habit. So I think sometimes some people will ask, so what is your bad? I am always telling my bad habit is social service. So I am enjoying in that. So same time you have to start from the student club. It definitely helps. I think around 8 college program officer today here I think for orientation. So the program officer, my request is to, you have to create a good person, a good social being. So how you create? You have to teach them, see this is the humanity. Humanity is the first. So even blood donation, anything you have to teach them. So another thing is you have to be a patriotism. So instead of doing lot of suppose anti-social element, they are telling so many things. No, we should be better. First of all, in Kannada, Deha ಮತ್ತು Desha, very important. First you have to keep your Deha, body, then you have to Desha. These are two important things. So other than that, nothing is there. So my request, our Youth Red Cross State Suvarna to conduct a lot of programs definitely. So in future also, in next 1-2 years, I think this MOU is for 1 year or 3 years, I don't know. So this MOU, I think definitely it will helpful to us to conduct a lot of programs for the students. I think at least some benefit you will get definitely along with your education. So once again, for giving my opportunity, I thank faculty and management of the Anapoya University and also our Red Cross, Youth Red Cross program officers and Youth Red Cross Chief Minister Sajesh Suvarna and our all our Red Cross members. So once again, I thank for giving opportunity. So definitely, Red Cross is always with you. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Now I request Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somaya ji, Registrar, Anapoya deemed to be University, to hand over the memento to Shri C.A. Shantaram Shetty as a Anapoya deemed to be University organized National Blood Donors Day and conducted e-poster competition to the students. I request Shri C.A. Shantaram Shetty, Chairman, IRCS Dakshina Kannada, to give away the prizes to the winner. So third year student, Anapoya Homeopathy College. Mariam Atul Afiza, fourth year B.Pharm student, Anapoya Pharmacy College and Research Center. Third prize secured by Alfina Mall Mirina, first year BSc Nursing student, Anapoya Nursing College.
Shri Kusmadhara B.K., Honorable Secretary, Indian Red Cross Society and retired Deputy Director of Land Records. Sir, I request you to give the inspirational message to us.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Somayaji sir, our chairman Shantaram Shetty sir, Nodal Officer Niteshri Madam, our Youth Red Cross Officer Sajesh Suvarna sir. First of all, congratulations to you all for allowing us to be along with you in conducting various programs. Anapoya University is very dear to Indian Red Cross Society because the kind of participation we are getting from the university is unparalleled. For that I thank the management of Anapoya University. Once again, thank you for that. We have been associated with Anapoya Nursing College for the last 3 or 4 years, and this is the first time university as a whole, total 8 to 10 colleges associated with the Indian Red Cross Society. As you all know, in Red Cross Society started in Europe around 160 years old back, started in a war field to mitigate the pains of the soldiers. Later on, the Red Cross extended its activities to all kinds of human sufferings without any difference of race, caste, creed and all those things. Our only aim is to see humanity in everybody and help them whatever we can in that way. Indian Red Cross Society is 100 years old, 1920, and in Karnataka it is more than 80 years old. For almost century we are in Karnataka itself, but you must have heard very less about Indian Red Cross Society. Other organizations are doing much more service like Rotary, Lions and all. You will be hearing very frequently. Why? Because Red Cross Society doesn't go for any name or fame. We only silently do our work, and if one individual is satisfied with the service of Red Cross Society, the motto is achieved. That's our main aim. DC is the president in the district level, in state level governor is the president, and in India, President of India is the head of the Indian Red Cross Society. So it is a kind of semi-NGO where government is also there and other people are also there. I was in government for quite a long time, almost 42 years, then retired and once again with the Indian Red Cross Society for doing my bit of service. In fact, we are not doing much service. In office we do a lot of paperwork only. Chairman and his team, they are very neck deep into the service of humanity. In Dakshin Kannada, what we do is we conduct various orientation programs, health programs, mainly first aid awareness programs, and during COVID, you know how Red Cross was associated with all the district administration and all the health universities. Now we have very good blood bank in Lady Goshen Hospital. Since you are all health and allied health service students, I request you to visit our blood bank whenever you free, when you are in the city. Just go, show your ID and go to our blood bank, see what's happening there. And at the same time, I think it will motivate you to organize blood camps or donate your blood. That's what we are expecting. The blood bank is, though very small, we collect around 1,500 to 2,000 blood units per month, and half of which we donate free of cost to the Lady Goshen Hospital, Maternity Hospital. That's the service which silently we are doing. Much of the people are not doing. All are telling it is government blood bank, but it is run by Indian Red Cross Society. You know, collecting blood alone is not sufficient. We have to test it, check it, and keep it in storage, which is a costly affair. And half of the blood which we are selling, we make good the salaries of our staff. With that, we are managing the Red Cross Society. Presently, we are into some more activities. For that, we are under construction. One building is under construction. DC has donated 25 cents of land behind the DC office, and one big building is coming up there with the 5 to 6 crores of estimated cost. But in Ennapoya University, we have conducted, last year itself, we have conducted 3-4 programs of first aid. They were all state level sponsored programs. This year, we will be conducting more programs, for which I request Madam Niteshri to check out a program, and we will, our chairman has already told, we will consult our state branch and get some funding from that, because conducting any training and organizing people is it is a costly affair. We have to get resource persons and all those things. Having said that, today is very important day for Red Cross as well as Ennapoya University. Thank you once again for being associated with the Indian Red Cross, and I always expect you to be with Red Cross. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Gangadhar Somayaji, Registrar, Annapaya deemed to be University for the Presidential Address.
Good morning, everybody. Don't mistake that I'm, in a confused state and standing in front of you for the second time. This is an unexpected, challenges keep coming, and surprises also keep actually getting vested on you. You should be ready for each and everything when you are in a position which carries out the administration. So suddenly I was asked to give this presidential address. In fact, there are advantages and disadvantages of giving a presidential address. Advantage is that you would have heard so many people speaking before you, so you can just pick up one point from each person's speech and you can make it as a talk and finish off. Disadvantage is that when the person previous to you has not spoken anything, everything comes on your head, then you are gone. For my luck today, including district collector, that is DC, chairman of Red Cross Society, Mr. Kusmadar, everybody spoke so well. In fact, now I am left with no words. Even to pick up it is going to be repetition. Again, for a formal presidential speech, I cannot just walk away saying that this much. So, I will be talking few words, but not to waste your time. You have heard already from DC and also from the chairman of the Red Cross Society regarding the Youth Red Cross movement. In fact, it is for youth. That is why you might have seen the DC calling all of you for the inauguration of the symbolic inauguration of the orientation program today. We have actually crossed that range. In fact, it is for you this particular movement is there, and in fact, you should make use of this. Advantage for you people is that most of our courses are health related. In fact, 9 out of 10 colleges are health and allied. Only one college is not health, but however, when you get mixed up with health related students, naturally you will also get an influence and you will also get carried away in that direction. In fact, all of you have joined for a noble cause. Serving humanity and people, in fact, is not, it is not for everybody. When you join a particular course, it is understood that you will have some interest in the course what you have selected. When you have come to health field, obviously it means that you are here to serve the society. So you might have seen this Red Cross, so you might be thinking giving blood is the only thing what is there in this particular movement. Definitely not. In fact, it is part of that movement. As Sir said just now, blood donation is again a thing which, in fact, nobody should refuse. If given an opportunity, you all know once in 3 months the blood keeps circulating, and in fact, if a person is hale and healthy without any issues, he can keep on donating blood. I have seen people, heard people, and also met people who have donated blood many times. Absolutely no danger to the health as long as you are hale and healthy. Remember, each time when you are donating blood, you are saving the life of a person. Such a noble thing it is. However, it is just one component of this particular movement. Apart from that, there are a lot of other things which you are supposed to carry out and help the society. It could be an awareness talk. See, many people do not know what the health problems are. Many people do not know that they are actually having a serious illness. See, certain things can be managed if the disease is detected at a very early level. For example, cancer. This is one of the biggest burdens for the Indian society and hence in fact the Indian economy as well. Let us just imagine a person coming to the doctor in stage 4. Nobody can do anything. Even if the doctor is an expert in that particular treatment, he will not be able to do anything. Just imagine a person, because of his education, if he is able to make out that there is something wrong and visits the doctor, let us say in stage 1 or 2. Just see the difference. He is going to survive and lead almost a normal life for the next maybe 10 years, 15 years, depending upon what disease he is having. So this kind of knowledge can come only with awareness, and that awareness can be given by people like you. And that is the reason for having these kind of movements in colleges and universities. In fact, it is now sort of almost mandatory for every university to have movements of this nature, not only to help themselves but also to help others. In fact, when you help others, you will be helping yourself as well, right? So you will become a known figure in the society. When something happens to you, there are people in fact standing in queue to help you. See, it is a give and take policy. So with this, on this particular day, we have taken a decision to inaugurate the university level youth Red Cross unit. In fact, the nursing unit, as I said, it is doing very well since last 3 years. I presume that all other units will also carry forward the same legacy of the nursing unit. I am sure Nityashri from nursing background will be able to guide all of you. And we have in fact great people like Shantaram Shetty, Kusmadhar, Yatish Baikampadi, Satish Suvarna and others who have been doing this service for years. So when such people are there for our guidance, definitely we should in fact take guidance from all those people and try to do our best to the society. I wish all of you all the very best, and I wish that all 10 units of our Youth Red Cross will make the best use of the MOU signed today and will carry out good activities for the welfare of the society. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. In the absence of Vice Chancellor again, I became his Stepney and did the job for him. Thank you, all the very best, have a pleasant day.
Nityashri B, Nodal Officer, Youth Red Cross, Anapaya deemed to be university to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries, invitees, faculty and delegates, a pleasant morning to each one gathered here. I take this opportunity to extend a cheerful thanks to each one worked for the success of this event. First and foremost, I acknowledge the Almighty's blessing on all of us. A strong pillar of the university and visionary is our Honorable Chancellor, most respected Mr. Anapaya Abdullah Kunni. He is one of the most eminent educationist and entrepreneur in Karnataka. We are happy to express gratitude to Sir for his constant support and encouragement. Heartfelt thanks to Mr. Farad Anapaya, Pro-Chancellor, for his constant support towards the program. Society District Commissioner, respected Dr. Rajendra KV, I owe my gratitude to Sir for inauguration and those inspiring, energetic words. We are extremely happy to extend cheerful thanks to guiding personality with positive attitude, distinguished Vice Chancellor Dr. Vijay Kumar for presiding over the function. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us. We are fortunate to have with us today's guest of honor, excellent leader, C.A. Shantaram Shetty, Chairman, Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada. On behalf of our university, I thank you, sir, for your guidance and constant support right from the beginning till date. Thank you for your valuable present and the message, sir. Thank you. It's my pleasant duty to bid a genial gratitude towards an eminent personality, guest of honor, Shri Kusmadhar V.K., Honorary Secretary, Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada. Thank you, sir, for your valuable presence and message. I acknowledge the support of Shri Yatish Baikampadi, Management Committee Member and State Representative, Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshina Kannada, an active personality who gives guidance whenever we are in need. Thank you, sir. A meticulous idea, dynamic leadership created a seal to put forth a big event. It's my privilege to thank Dr. K.S. Gangadhar Somayaji, Registrar of the University, for his timely support and guidance. Thank you, sir. I am indebted to thank resource person Mr. Sachin Suvarna, Director